Okay, so reflecting on my second lesson plan, I thought there were a few things that I could have changed for a normal class. And the first thing I couldn't really change because of the physical situation in the classroom would be able to walk around more. Just watching the video, it made me, I looked like I was trying to walk around, but I really couldn't because the classroom is set up strangely. The biggest thing for me for this presentation would be the use of Nearpod, and it works really well for embedding, checking for understanding questions, but also the technology doesn't always work well. Like, it would skip forward or go too slow, and it really caught me off guard. And also the use of videos. I embedded a video into the Nearpod presentation, and it didn't work how I wanted it to. Instead of me being able to play it, it played on everyone's iPads, which was really annoying because all the videos started at different times. So I would use Nearpod still, but not embed any type of video in it. I would just have to switch back from a different type of presentation or show the YouTube video separately because that was kind of chaotic. Also, I thought that I didn't have enough content. It seemed like I was repeating the same thing multiple times, which is good and bad because in my class I had to repeat several things just to clarify the topic or the content. I would probably use more content in the presentation and talk about the light and dark reactions of photosynthesis. And I thought that my independent practice was really good, and I would have spent more time going over it and making the directions clearer because the directions on the page were different from what I said. But still, I like the comic strip idea, and I could have used that maybe as a lab or a unit project or something like that. I liked that. Let's see. The other thing that I should work on would be more praise. And unfortunately, my class was really disruptive and everyone was ready for the day to be over. So that was really hard because normally if I'm teaching in a classroom, I don't like that many distractions or I don't want to have to talk over people. So that made me, it made me lose track in my, when I was teaching. So I think more classroom discipline and along with that, praising more when people get the right answer. So that is all I have for my reflection on photosynthesis.